have the most beautiful cat. We have the most beautiful birdhouse. Have an old man.
All right, Quince.
Wendy, not funny. What if I do that
Quince.
to you?
You need to wait.
Can we start it over, Dad?
Yeah, I am. Go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this was painted by me. The most winning thing in America. And I think it has a tag on it. No. It was made in China.
Wait, look, you said you made it.
The wood was made in China.
Oh,
I painted it.
good, quick answer.
And it is a boathouse. Next over here, my brother Quincy did this.
It was also imported.
He was 10. And you see the wood has a fence and a smooth part of the top. And the back is not painted, and neither is this part. Next, I believe I did this, or my cousin. And it's the same thing. It is not the same thing because the top has a lot of things, and every single one has it. And over here, you can see our piano, like. And now, this is my brother's.
Give me that. It's not for use on floors.
You do that, and it spins.
Hi, I'll show you how to use it.
I don't want you to be in the movie.
You should totally.
And choose the remote from our TV. If you are wondering, an hour commercial. If you are wondering why those flashlights do not
Boy, I wish I had a flashlight that didn't need batteries.
that do not work, come to our store, St. Bernard's, and get a no batteries. It works with no batteries. All you have to do is spin it.
Wow.
Can I get the lights, people? And and voila, lights.
Can't see anything.
So come to our St.
But
Bernard
don't do that too close to the
So
phone.
come to our St. Bernard place. Friday?
Uh-huh.
Friday morning, it is closed. But Friday night, 24/7, except Friday, it is opened.
How much only do I have to pay for that flashlight?
Hi.
It's only $5.99. Only $5.99
That's
for
it?
this. And it comes in a package.
Sorry. I couldn't.
And at
I couldn't.
next
Dad.
commercial. Bum, bum,
Like your people and Dad.
When you're at work or upstairs sleeping, say the phone rings, gling, 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 gling. You don't want to go downstairs to get it. That's why you have this on your ears, and the phone's downstairs. You press on, and you say, I'm sleeping. Please call back later. Instead of just sleeping and letting it go. Oh, Philly, what if it's your boss? That's what you do.
But I am my own boss.
What if, that's a good question. If you're your own boss, then if someone calls,
Could be the customer.
Totally
it could be a
normal.
customer or it could be a mother for dinner.
Mommy?
Totally ignore them
Night.
instead.
Oh, very good.
They
Oh yeah! This is on TV.